on it totally.
Oh, you never did?
No.
In fact, you said it has good morals.
Yes. It was good morals for me. And in your money be no woman. And you cry because before the parking kind. Into yourself on the bad, you be favor no. Any now sorry any college in Sikano Bedino. And no baby the then. Sure. But so okay Bible ni mu do baby. I'll be saying same one. It doesn't make sense. All I'm trying to say is that I'm not stopping anybody from going to his or her church. Why? Because I know whatever you believe in works for you. All I'm trying to tell my people like that is that Bible no enya nyankopon asem.
So now the matter when you now.
Yes.
What can you say ya? If you are not obeying Bible in video. Next Bible in su esena asenotino efforts say yenya deep.
And I'm better my church say you baby wo mu kwa poa. In some le wo mu no e deep. But osofo no be gina sorry them no nya the own preach side dey nkyerɛ. Okay, can you be a Bible? My Lord, it doesn't make sense. And you have to make quotation, man. Church quotations and back. Some of the things when you read, killing words.
It doesn't make sense.
Killing words. David Warrior, he back 18. Just also called you a big money couldn't call war. Every pure body, audience, sagu, a drogu in some man. Tell a whole lot. The Bible is not from God, please. First. That's all I'm trying to say.
Pushing us to do wrong.
Partner, Nyakra. Because minimum of be a bawu, ye no, or preaching no, or say Yankupon Krakuneba. See, as I was up on the Kayo. Minimum of be a bawu, ye no, ye can seven, or say Yankupon Krakuneba. Yankupon Krakuneba of us harvest knowing, our Bible ni moi. It is a Bible, maybe one way papa were born in Yana, Yam Fanji Yabuana, because they say Yankupon them. There be
okay.
If I'm saying for a mobile, preaching a favor, no, born in a woman, they won't tell you. It is up to us individuals to read our Bible A to Z. How many times? Natural say, does it make sense or it doesn't make sense? Part makes sense, part doesn't make sense. But all I'm saying is that Yankopon on your book BI.
My guest this morning is Nana Tornado, actor, MC, entertainer.
Chapter 2000 hair cream.
Mustafa attractive, sir. Sings this one, Romance 8:5-6. They that are in the flesh do mind the things of the flesh, but they that are after the spirit, the things of the spirit. Before I was saved, I was in the flesh, and I could not understand the Bible. Now I, Mustafa, after the spirit, I'm after the spirit. And since the Bible is a spiritual book, I can understand it. If my brother in the studio wants to understand the Bible or gets to know if it's a true book or not, it must first be spiritual.
No, nonsense. Nonsense. Book Ben Hele will be asking my minions will be sharp. This is a work of spiritual read. Out, yes, so. You see how they divert the thing? No much spiritual has been brain surgery. Now, what's as we only book in my vehicle school in your money, be as a sweet, your mouth exams now, your own Holy Spirit. Come on, don't do that.